Hey everybody, how are you doing? And I have some happy mail that I got from Carolyn from Mommy Ramblings. And if you don't know her channel, go on over. She has a very eclectic channel. You'll love it. If you're into true crime, it's crafting, recipes, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of hauls. Anyway, I wanted to share what she sent me, which I am so excited about. She knows I love bees, and I decorate in the summer, and I will again this summer with bees. And she got me this little trinket plate. It is so cute, and it says Queen Bee. So that will no doubt go on my 3-tier tray. Then she got me some of these metal tags. My Dollar Tree has been really awful. They just are not carrying anything that I'm seeing on different hauls. And I've got 6 different Dollar Trees around me, so there's something going on. Then this is something I never saw before. It's a no-touch key, and it's something, it works so you don't have to touch anything, like if you're opening a surface or you have to put your pin in or whatever the case is. Really cute idea. And she knows I like Mackenzie Child, and so she got me the black and white polka dot. Also, mine doesn't have these little picket fences, and this is adorable. So this will make a really cute DIY, as well as these palettes. And I already, as soon as I saw it, I knew what I was going to do with it. And this is going to be so perfect in what I want to do. So she got me a couple of those, which I think are adorable. She also knows that I like the gnomes and the little fairy decor. And so she got me this little gazebo, which is adorable. And then this little gnome reading. How cute is that? Then also the water wheel. Isn't that cute? Then she got me these placemats. You guys, look at this. This is going to make an absolutely beautiful pillow, and I'm going to make 2 pillows out of this. And this is very, very nice material. So I'm going to take a different kind of material, contrasting, and put it to the back so I can get 2 out of these. Isn't that pretty? And then look, I could not find any gnomes. And these are a nice size. These are, well, I don't have I wish I had my measuring tape, but these are more than 12 inches, I believe. I'm looking to 14 inches. 14 inches, the tag says. And I love these. This one I'm going to keep up because it's gray. Aren't those adorable? Then she knows I love to decoupage and do things with napkins. And I'll tell you what, she sent the mother load. Look at this Ziploc full of napkins, okay? So let's move our little gnomes, and I'll turn this over so you can see the napkins better. Okay. Oh, I love this. Okay, so she sent all kinds, you guys. Look at these Christmas trees. Aren't those pretty? And then also for Christmas, these poinsettias. Now these can be put to cans, to glass, to jars, to wood. These little pallets. Let's see. Again, she knows I love Mackenzie Child, and this snowman will be perfect in a Mackenzie Child decor piece. Look at this little red cardinal, how adorable that is. Isn't that beautiful? And along with the Christmas theme, another snowman. Oh, that is going to just be so cute. Then look at this camper with Santa. Isn't that adorable? Happy holidays. Oh, so cute. And then gingerbread, and I love my gingerbread at Christmas time, my gingerbread theme. Isn't that adorable? Then I love this, and I always have this type of Christmas tree where it's made with the swirls. That will make a pretty decor piece or a gift. And then look at this. Look at this Christmas tree. And then you can also use the border. You can use this border on something. You can cut all of this apart and use it for different things. But isn't that pretty? See back here where the border is all by itself? You can most certainly use that. And then peace and joy. And again, this makes you right away think of Mackenzie Child. And then look at this guy. Look at him. And on the back, you have Santa. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she sent so many. I just couldn't get over it. Okay, so now let's do... Oh, and then these. Geez, I keep getting more and more. This will be so pretty on a frame. The Christmas ornament. And then the sprigs with the jingle bell and the holly leaves. Okay, now look at these for Valentine's. You can use these. How cute is that? And then look at these. Look at how pretty. Okay, let me show you. And you have 4. How pretty is that? Hold on. These are going to be perfect. I'll use these next year in a Valentine DIY, and look at this, the balloons. Look at, with these, look at how these all, oh my gosh, you guys. If you do decoupage and you like to decorate with napkins, you understand the excitement in napkins. It's like scrapbook paper, you know, it's just crazy. With that being said, you can also use these in your scrapbooking. There's nothing to stop you from using those. And here's another Christmas one I just found. Is this crazy, you guys? Okay, so let's go to Easter now. Look at this retro bunny family. This is so adorable. Isn't that adorable? And if you open up one of these, you've got 4. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And then along with Easter, look at this one, Hello Spring. You can cut that out. Look at the wheelbarrow. Look at the gardening tools. Oh my gosh. And then look at this egg. Look how pretty with all these flowers. Look at that egg with all the different colors, the purple polka dot with the lace. Oh my gosh. So much that you can do with these. And then look how cute. Look at these little birds. Aren't those so cute? Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And then look at this little bunny. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then Mackenzie Child right now, their new thing is vegetables. I don't know if you've seen it, and I'm doing a couple things already with that, but this would be perfect. And then you could outline it with the Courtly check, and it would go perfect with what they're doing right now. And then look, Love the Journey is that, and it's got the very, very faint pink and white gingham with that cute little bike with the basket of flowers and the little bee. Isn't that sweet? And then it's very hard to find masculine, and she sent me some of these. What a pretty frame that would make for Father's Day. Look at this. This is a beautiful napkin. Look at that. That would make a beautiful frame. And then she sent these napkins. She knows I love the lemon, I'm sure, like everyone, but look at how pretty those would go. Oh my gosh. I don't see napkins as napkins. I see napkins as a material, a scrapbook paper. Look at the sunflowers. These cut out, and oh, this would be so pretty for fall. Then she said some Mackenzie Child, and this really is from Mackenzie Child, the Courtly. And this would go with so many things. You could put this as a border with these. Look how pretty that would be. She got me these bee napkins. Look at how pretty that would go with that. Oh my gosh, it's endless what you could do with these. And then look at these pretty little blue flowers. And these would go, you could cut out these birds and put these birds with this. You could mix and match any napkins that you have. And then look at this, how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? This you can incorporate even into the 4th of July. You could make a frame out of that and put some stars with it. Can you believe all this, you guys? I told you. And then these carrots. Look at that. Look at this. Now I love lavender, bees, and English country theme, and this fits the bill across the board. Look at all that. The bee right here. And then obviously the lavender. I mean, all of it is just so beautiful. Then these, oh my gosh, I can't wait. Probably Christmas in July I'll do these. But I'm going to do a DIY with these little gnomes. Look, holding the little tree. And these could be used at any time. This wouldn't have to be Christmas, because there's nothing really here that just says, oh, this is Christmas, this is a Christmas gnome. And then look at this. Look at these with the apple. Now this does have a Christmas tree. But if you didn't want it to be for Christmas, you could just omit the tree and just use the lantern and the apple. Is that adorable? I fell in love with these when I saw them, and she sent me quite a few. And then the last one in the napkins, oh, look at this. This is about 5 inches tall. This is going to make an adorable DIY. Then look at these lemons. Look at, you don't even have to take off any of this. This looks like the weathered wood. And look at this. Look how these could go together. You could put that in the middle. So many things that you can do. So many. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. It is absolutely precious. Don't tell me you can't have virtual friends and them be real friends. I have made many, many friends over the internet. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.